stupid dog! You made me look bad!
And she know that I've been trying to run a check up. She just want me cause she think that
Hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video. We got Sebas, Memo, Alex, Tony, and you got me. And today we're gonna be installing a wing on the Infiniti Q50.
First mod for the Q50.
And as you requested, Fast Guy's in the video.
For real?
Y'all caught me.
Bro, I wasn't recording. Nah, I'm kidding. But, alright, this is gonna be a pretty easy install. Let me go get the wing.
Hey,
I know, I saw that. Real niggas. You can't even tell. Alright, show him the wing, bruh. Nah, bro, we're trying to keep it simple. That's just the wing that's going on the Q50. This is the one that goes on the sport model. Y'all didn't know.
If you look closely, there's like a little sparkle in the thing.
Oh shit. She looking thick, bruh. She looking thick.
Yeah, show him how it's gonna look, bruh. Oh yeah.
Damn.
Looking like we gonna race niggas now.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Oh my.
Scratch the wheel, scratch the car.
Fucking dumbass.
This is why we don't bite him, bro. This is why. Yeah. Alright, well, so we're just gonna 3M the back and then throw that hoe on.
Hey, 3M this too. You just look.
Alright, so this is what we did. We just 3M'd all of it. So if y'all want to do it, do it like this. It's not the prettiest, but it's gonna get the job done. It's not pretty like Sebas over there. Yeah, you got that. You got blushing over there.
What happened?
And obviously you got to take all the other stickers off the other side.
Sometimes it sticks with the but sometimes it doesn't. Just to be safe, just take it off. Hey, but don't get the McDonald's cups in the cut.
Yeah, we ain't sponsored.
We ain't sponsored.
Alright, shit.
It should be covered. I shouldn't even say.
I was like, I'll blur that out.
Look at it. We ain't sponsored by anything.
And before you guys actually stick it on here, make sure the area you're gonna lay it on is actually clean. So you like.
Yeah, we're gonna wipe it with the rag.
Wipe it with a microfiber cloth. That way the 3M can stick.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Y'all gonna have a memo in the video. Then.
I wash your windshield for 20 pesos. I wash your trunk. Me wash wheels too.
You like.
And amazing quality deal too. Hey, sponsor.
Alright, someone's gonna hold that thing.
No, I need more of this side, a little bit. Oh, too much. Right there. I think right there is good.
How's the guy, bro? It's like a car.
Bro, this is like way too high on over here. Still way too high.
Wait.
Alright, don't move it. Perfect. Nossa, fucking deu essa espadachada. Cresci. What are you doing right now? Get some masking tape out, Alex. So we don't have to hold nothing. That's what I did on mine. I put masking tape on there. Bro, you honest?
Oh, like the masking tape.
Doing?
So yeah, I just took it off. I took it off on the weekend. He's like, I gotta return this shit.
I just needed a.
Oh, did that shit pop it?
support them. I just saw you do this to it. Bro, he literally just went. Well, so much for telling our viewers what they need to do.
Are you telling them?
Hey, I got you. So what we're doing right now is we're masking the wing. We're just say some dumb shit again. Oh, redo. All right. So what we're doing is we're again. Part three. All right. I'm taking. All right. So what we're doing is we're taping the wing on just because they gotta go. But the 3M is on there, and we're just gonna put the tape just so it sits better and hopefully it holds and it doesn't fly off. But
knowing how Leticia drives, they'll probably will.
I'm not the one driving.
oh, they're definitely gonna fall. They definitely need this as Isaac drives.
Isaac drives like a grandpa though.
For real. We're gonna take it in for paint probably next week. Try to get the tape painted over green. Try to get the shit painted black.
Huh? I'm gonna take it off when I get back.
I told you. I told you that shit was gonna break.
That's good. Sponsored by today's video. Alright, well that's it guys. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. We're actually going to film the next one right now and do it on Tony's car since he's here.
But yeah. And then, hey, stay tuned for the 350Z louver install. That shit next too. Right now. Nah, nigga, not right now.
YouTube days, 3 months, but